everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Hope you had a great night last night. We're looking for a great trading day. We do that every single day. Let's see what we got going on yesterday and today. That's playing somewhere. I'll figure it out. Found it. A couple of browsers open. Happy August, everybody. Good morning. Thursday. One more day of trading, then the weekend of good relaxing and fun. So right now you're looking at the MOJO Day Trading chat room. This is where we all get together every morning. People start coming in at 9. We're prepared right now. We're going to start to do some scanning and looking at some stocks that we're going to be trading. And let's see what's hot on the main screen. You can get your free trading tools at mojodaytrading.com. Definitely go and check that out, guys. All you traders. Check it out right here. MOJO Day Trading right here. And get your free trading tools. Get your mojo back if you don't have any. If you want to start getting some mojo. You got the free trading, the perfect trading system course right here for free. Oh, if you missed that, you can get the free level 2 video for free. Take your trading to the next level and watch that lesson right there. That's the level 2. And then you got the chat room. Come and join the chat room and check out what happens in there. That's what's going on with that. SPWR seems to be the stock of the day today through $14. SPWR right here. It's already traded 308,000 shares. Up 20% at $2.34. And we'll take a look at CSIQ. $22. It's up at 10 cents. We got the SPWR, that's looking hot. And then we got the group, solar group. So we got the CSIQ, SPWR, got, what's the others? RGSE. Does that even want anyone? 19 cents. There it is, 19 cents. 20 cents. That one may do good today too, you never know. That one may actually be the biggest winner because a little move in that is a big percentage. RGSE is that one. Look and see what's in the solar group. FinViz going right here. Head up into the screener. And go into industry. Scroll down to solar. Let's do the solar.
Well, yes.
All right. Where is that? Be under energy. Should be in one of these. All right. So it ain't coming up there. We'll do a search for solar stocks. Maybe you guys in the room can, First Solar, there you go. Thanks, buddy. Chopper's on the thing. FSLR. And that one is a 65. That's at 65. First Solar. And the other one was CSIQ. I'll put them up right here. FSLR. QR. That ENPH, end phase energy from yesterday, that was an energy one too. What I'm doing is I'm putting them on my watch right there. Announcing earnings today. F is First Solar. Overstocks hot today again at $22.93 by $23. Zynga has been hot lately too. Last couple of days I've been seeing Zynga popping up. That's in a nice little uptrend above the moving average line right there. End phase again right there on the bottom, $28. I picked it yesterday at I think 20. I'll show you right here at the open what happened yesterday. So this is the bottom line for anybody that's looking and interested in trading stocks. It's an hour spurt. We're going to trade for a half hour this morning. It's going to feel like an hour or two. Everyone's going to place a couple of trades, make money. Here's the main exact thing. Check it out. Each morning, there is one stock when the market opens that's super strong, like SPWR, with volume and trending higher. We stick to that with the Heinz pricing and the wow effect. We should be good for many years ahead. And I'll show you what we did with exactly that. ENPH right at the open at 9:30, and we nailed DMPI. So we got right here, Heinzing $27. We was a signal at 26.40 on end phase right here. That was the play to go through and buy the 26.40. The market was opening in 30 seconds. Volume came in fast. It went right towards 27. Nice. Looked like it's going to go through 27. And then Crone through 1390 into 14, that did that, and UVXY through 25, it did that, and LSCC through 19, it did that. Any one of those picks easily made money. The stock heard me at Heinz 25 on UV, Crone did too, Enphase did too, right through 27. Now it may even go another point, I say, to 28. So let's hold it. Allen's going to hold 500 shares to see if it goes to 28. There's 27.55. Great winner. See how nice I did for y'all, making y'all bank. It goes to 28. And then this one comes up for a Heinz 2 at 198. We nailed it right there at 198. If it goes to 211, it's going to go into the 220s. So we hit 211 right there from 9:41 in the morning to 9:38 in 3 minutes. It made a rip to 216, then 219, then 229. Bam. Right there, you made another big winner. ENPH went to 28.05. Very, very nice day in the room. Right there, a great 15 minutes of trading. So you all could be done for the day. Not a problem right there. It goes 231, 236, 239 with a signal to go through 240. It sure does that. It goes 242, 244. And how sweet it is. So right now I'm looking to do I'm going to put something together where I'm going to get everyone educated on how to do this, and then you can join my chat room. I'm going to give you my education. Stocks 250. Wow play is in effect. He said, damn. Where is it? Right here. And damn, wow on that and wow on the DMPI. So he said, oh my. He said, wow again. And amazing. Just on that, in 15, Alan made $2,000. Mar made 1,000. 256 by 259 from $2. That was yesterday. And then towards the end of the day, UVXY made a huge move. Here's the market. It's opening right now. Let's head to the mains. Head to SPWR. $14 Heinz, guys. See the dip? Get it? Just like DMPI did. $13.98 is your cost. You're in at $13.98. It's $14.17, $14.20. Sell half. Sell half. Right there, $14.19. Keep a stop at like right. Don't let it go lower than this. We'll redo it again. No problem. Great trade so far. You still have a couple hundred left. $14.15. Let's see if it goes through the 20 now. I would take profits and redo another trade on it again. Let's look at this one. 70,000 shares traded on this one. VNDA. Did you just see it rip from 1570 to 1650? I didn't even get to call it out. Did you see that rip? VNDA just made a monster rip. All right, you got right there 1429, 29, 30, 30, 33, 44, 48, 55, sell, sold. Nice, Rento. $59, 65, 60 for flat Allen. Great job, Allen. Good, keep it going. Great job. Everyone else get flat with them.
Well, yes. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yes.
Nice, everybody. 1460. Great job. Sick job on the trade. Told you that's how it works. Every day we get with the hot winner, with the hot Momo volume. It gives us the mojo. Everybody makes bank. I call out exactly how everyone should buy and exactly how everyone should sell. Just like that. Flat means close the position. You have no more shares left. So upon the original one, let's say you bought 1,000 shares at $13.98. Like Allen did. The $14.19, 500 should have been gone. When I mentioned you could be flat back at $14.10, I think it was, you could have sold 300 more. So you should have 200 shares into the move at $14.50, another 100, and then maybe $14.60, you're flat. And then we'll revisit it for another trade. Just on a measly little 1,000. See how that worked? Nice. What do you think of the courses, Trader Derby? Why didn't you tell everybody what I did for you? I gave you the courses for free because you joined the chat room, correct? My courses that are $1,497 that I charged for the last 7 years, I gave them to you for free because you joined the chat room and I want you to get educated. And then you'll pay me back later, correct? You could pay. I told you the deal was you decide what you want to pay at the end. Isn't that what I told you? I get to decide what to pay. Yep, see? I gave it to him for free. Superstar Trader Mike. I decide what to pay. That's the deal. Anybody, $15, dude. Just Heinz on you. Just there you go, baby. Boom. 15.10. That's the second part of Mojo University, is the speed, is working on the speed. Now that you got the trade plays down, it's all speed. And that was the greatest SPWR. I'm sure CSIQ moved along with it, but probably not as much. It may go through 22. It's probably a good play. RGSE is at 18 cents dipping. That's probably a good play. But the SPWR and the FSLR went up to 66. But the big winner was the SPWR. And that's how you do it, 1510. So if anybody would like, you come here and you join the MOJO Day Trading chat room, and I would get the combo pack because the swing trade newsletter has been utterly phenomenal. Let me show you. You get access to this Google Drive right here. Now, this is the 2019, actually. This goes back, guys, for 7 years. On the bottom here, you could see the tabs. And you could scroll back right here. In the beginning, let's say to 2014. See this? These are all the picks from the Ken Slim database and my picks. That 79 out of 79 picks for the month, averaging 11% with an 8-day hold. See, taking the position, closing half, closing 3/4, flat, closing the rest, just like we did with the day trade. Let's go into March of 2015. Look at all these great winners. 59 out of 59 winners for 100% accuracy. Average gain 9.77%. 6-day average hold. The next month, April. There's some losers. 60 picks, 56 winners, 93%. Let's go to July of 2015, 4 years ago. Nugget, a lot of gold trading that month, and some UVXY, 59 out of 52. Go to March of 2016, look at all these, 70 out of 75. So let's go to today's. We got July. We did Luck and Coffee from 20 to 26.50. DRRX. SPWR looks like it may go up again, guys. Right here, 1505. Get it. See for another Heinz right here. DRRX went 95 cents to $1.15. iFresh, because Apron was moving, went 162 to 206, along with Givo from 240 to 280. I think it was 75. And the Solly we lost on over a point. And then while we're in Biocept and Perion Networks. And this is the access to the swing newsletter. So what I would do the both here. You're in at 1505 average, 1505 average. I would grab these tools right here. And then if you're day trading or swing trading, you could make your pick or do both. Click here, it says become a member, right on the home page. You could subscribe to the chat room. 1525, guys, 1525 from your last 1505 trade. 1525. Right there. See it? 1525. 1525. Okay, so definitely jump on that. I just gave you another huge winner. And if you want to just do this chat room, you subscribe here. Just the newsletter here. But if you want to do both, that's my suggestion. You nail that. And you become a member and subscribe to the combo pack for $199. These courses that I have here in Mojo University, become the next pro trader. For the last 7 years, I've had hundreds of traders take this online course. You got the October 2000. Oh, let me go back to this. You got the MOJO University right here. This is where we went. Online course. There's August of 2018, February, and October of 2017. These 3 courses. This is the best one, the oldest one. Each video is about an hour long, hour and a half long. This is shown hundreds of people. It's still up from 2007. How to day trade for a living. The tools, the tricks, all the things you need to become a pro trader. And once you're a pro trader and you're in the room for a long time. Pro Trader Allen's been here since 2012, along with Randy, Bohan, Hopper, all veterans for years in the room. 1525, guys, from 1505 was the last trade. You should be flat now. UV looks like it may Hines here. 27 on UV. It's 26.89.90. 93. UV's moving. I'd add at 27. It's 97. Big signal on SPWR on the bid going lower at 15, a 376 hiding at the bid right now. If he don't get filled, he's going to drive it up to a 20, but if he does get filled, it's going to 77. So let's see what he does right here on SPWR. There he is, 330 on the bid. You just saw him. He showed his face. I showed you get out of the way at 1507. 98 on UVXY. See him at the bid, 330? That's bearish. They want to fill him on the bid. It took me 3 years just to realize that's bearish. Everyone thinks there's a big buyer. If I buy here at 1505, I'll sell it on the way up, and then you buy and then watch what happens. So you buy 1506, 1509, you need 19 or 20 to get out to make a profit. So let's see if they fill him. There he is, 330 on the bid at 15. See him? Took me 3 years to realize that's bearish. So let me show you right here on the Mojo site right here. You see learn the level 2? Watch, go to free download. See this? Pros, look, it took me 3 years to realize a big bid is bearish and it's going under 15. You're going to get burned. Look, 1498. See? Every single person should get my lessons. They're free on my site and join the chat room. I just showed you how to price that trade where it was going under beautifully. It's like bowling. It's the opposite of human nature. In order to throw a strike, you got to throw it to the right towards the gutter and let it spin back to the middle. It's against human nature to throw it into the gutter and to the right. You got to do the opposite. In golf, to hit the ball with a draw from right to left, you have to hit the ball to the right in order to make it go left. People just want to hit it left, and it goes the other way. It's a slice. Opposite. It's hard to do for people. It's hard to do. Let's see what else we got. That VNDA made a move in the beginning. And look, it went to $17, that VNDA. Wow. Oh, UV got crushed. Let's see what else we got. Yesterday was the day for UV. I'll show you what happened. Traders that were waiting quite a while for UVXY to take a dump did. I was not here. But the traders that are trading in the room nailed I'd say the Pantories off of it.
Yes.
Show you what they did. It was at the end of the day. Look what UV, I'll show you what, first let me show you what the chart on UV did, how it exploded. UVXY. Minute. Go to the 15-minute, 5-minute data. So look, right here, it went from 24.64 through Heinz 25 and went 26, 27, 28.30. Look what the traders did on that one. Right here. So all of a sudden, UV makes a crazy move. I'm like, dudes. Actually, I was, yeah. I am back. I was at 203. But it happened a little later, and then it went boom. He called it through 26. Rento made 5% on it. He has 200 shares left at 26.30. It's 27. Sure glad I checked back in. Well, he said, wow, holy shit, that means it's going higher. It went from 27, it went to 28, and Rento made $1,588 on that. Beautiful. That's the move it made, man. Look at that move. Crazy ass move, man. D-Gaz was down 30 points. You guys was up 2. D-Gaz is down 14 more. Wow. Whenever you say wow, they go lower. It's going lower. And that is D-Gaz. U-Gaz was 15. Now it's 16. Look at these daily gap on the day. Wow. That's incredible. So yes, guys, subscribe to the combo pack. Get my swing trade newsletter. You're going to get these courses and you're going to get educated. These have been $2,000 for 7 years. I'm giving them to you for free. Hang out with me in the room. Learn the systems. Do your trading. You would have made the money on SPWR and or any of the other trades beautifully today. And yesterday and the day before. Pays for everything in like one trade. SPWR is heading into 50 now. New high on SPWR. Stock of the day. CSIQ, I know some of you got that through 22. It's 22.50 now. Your average should be about 21.93 on CSIQ. It's 22.42. First Solar moved 2 beautifully. And that's what we stayed on today. Exactly that. Those 3 stocks. And you can see how detailed I call out every pick in the room. So great job, guys. We did well again. $9.48. Bulls. Hit. Very close. The money.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes.
What I'm talking about, that's the Heinz, guys.
No.
Unforgettable, guys. In every way, the Heinz.
Hey guys and gals, my name's Jason Bond.
Oh, nice.
JasonBondPicks.com, where I teach people just like you how to trade stocks.
That's wonderful.
Now, I wasn't always a multi-millionaire, enjoying my vacations
Hear that?
right on the ocean in sunny Florida.
That's funny. Bond. Want to learn how to swing trade? Learn some patterns? Go right ahead. You want to learn how to day trade? They don't teach you that. They probably will bring in, when they hear this, some expert that will, though. And then they're going to give away their education. Alan, 1,561 for the day. Good job, dude. Times that by 20 days on the average. You made more. That's $31,000 a month. That's pretty good. Trader, good job. Let's see what we got with SPWR now. High of 67, boys. 67. Pretty good move. Beautiful rail grind. Right here, it went up beautiful into the rail grind. Here's a little red Cupid top, but on the did a nice rail grind. It's 1560 now. That red bar going to turn green. Strong. $15.60. NBEV's moving. Tilray's got a green bar. May go 41. The weeds. Ooh, Amrin's good too down here. Look at Amrin. It's in a bad downtrend. Don't want to try catching bottom on it though. So I'll foffle Amrin. That means bold. Misspelling. That's all it is. Foffle Amrin at 1820. Ooh, UV made a big move back up. Look at that move. Jumped 40 cents. UV did. Look, see how that went low? 18.15 now on Amrin. See that? You don't want to try to catch no bottom, but this probably is. ADST is doing good. 1950. SPWR, another new high. UV 2680. Does anyone have UV? If you do, you got it in the 50s. Anybody got UV? No? A little bit? Randy. Nice. What you got it at 50? 43 or 57 average, one of the two. What's your average? 54. I was close, right? Still making the big money on it. You should be making the big money on SPWR. Don't be moving nowhere from it. That's the winner. Look, it's my pin message right here. Yeah. Look at the pins. Oh, if you want a free 15-minute consultation, you can book that right there too. Each morning there's a stock when the market opens that's super strong with volume and trend higher. We're going to stick to that with the Heinz pricing and the wow effect, which should be good for many years ahead. Who said wow and at what price on SPWR? At what price did you do it? Remember? You did it 15.44. It went 30 cents higher than that. Anybody out there like on YouTube do that and stuff? Periscope, Twitch. Yeah. Nice, Mike. Leaving Detroit, Monterrey, Mexico. Greetings. What's up? We might even head higher here for a titch-tatch, just on SPWR, and then a dip down. A titch-tatch and a dip down. $15.70 right now. Beautifully strong. Big number on the bid, going lower. See, 1556. He's at 638 now. Oh, there he is, back at 56. Back at 56 on the bid. Then another guy underneath him at 38. See the 38, the 75, reading the level 2. See that? Are we tired of winning day after day? Are we? Beautiful gain. He ain't. And there's a difference. See, it's at 72, but you're like, Mike, there's a big bid at 1538. The pros that have taken the course in the room, if it's at 1570 and the signal is 1538, where it is right now, for 100, hold on, I'm going to give you a picture of it, guys. Watch how smart the pros are. He's still there, sitting there. It's at 38. See, you're like, is it going to go lower? What is that? Watch. Is it real or fake? And what's it called? You learn this in the course. Is it real or fake? See, the 56 just got filled. That's correct. It's fake. It's called an NITBB. A no intention to buy bid. It's meant because he's on the ask selling at 64, 67, 69. And then he'll drop it down and he'll bring himself back up towards where that 56 was. It's a fake. Only when they're right there on the bid shall it be real. Otherwise, it's going higher. It's a fake. And that's the difference that you have to see when you learn in those courses. Otherwise, you miss and you don't know what you're doing. You're like, damn, it's the opposite of what I thought. See, he's not even there now, and it's 63 by 65, 64 by 67. And the signal's on the ask at 70. He's back at 58. There he is, the 66, and he's very close. Now he disappeared again. And this is what traders do. You watch the supply and demand, then you can know which way the thing's going to be going. He's there at 58 right there. 88 on the bid. So you don't want to be a big buyer here. You want to see, but this is the 38. He needs to be the 58. There he is at 58. Now it's 50. There he is. He's going to get filled. He got filled. See? It's going lower. 53, 52. There's the 50 and the 38. And that's how you wait and judge. That's 51 bid right there. They took that 56. This is the NITBB. He's collecting all this stock. They know where it's going. They just took all that stock in 56, 55, 51, 54, 50. Now look, now watch what's going to happen. Probably go test the high and go to 16 right now. And then they'll sell it all. And they did a great job trading in the level 2. Ameren was a good bottom. If anybody did risky on that bounty, you made good on it. I did call the bottom, but I foffled on it. JDST go higher? Nope, went lower. UV same. CVS is 90. May Hines 56. Ameren was a good bottom, man. All right, and that's trading for the day, guys. SPWR 1530. They nailed the 38. See that? See that? They nailed the 38. Now the people that are stuck at 50, 60 or whatever, and you had no patience to wait, and you had a trade and didn't look at the signals or respect them, that's what just happened to you. Right there. See that? They nailed it down to 58, ran it back up to 64, burned everyone, and then nailed that 38. And right now it's 36 by 40. Everyone's got burned because you didn't see the signals on the bid. Look, check it out. 36, 37, right where that big signal is. Now the next big signals, you wait for them, and that's where the stock's going. There are none. Though they have a big inventory below, they got a big inventory above, and that's what it is. So they're going to drive it lower here. Oh, there's one. There's no big say. There's a 26, but you need a big one like 100 or 70 or an 80. Otherwise, it's just twos and ones. 100 shares here, 100 shares there. 36 by 38, it does nothing. Wait for a signal and then see if it heads towards it. Big on the bid at 37. There's some 50s and 51s right there on the right. They're not really big. It's got to be a 90, a 70, not a 6 or a 13 or a 20. That'll be a big number. Otherwise, there's no trade. AMD. Bad number to trade it. MYGN. MYGN. 39. Look at this move. Went from 30 to 39 without stopping. Guys, MYGN. Amazing. Look at that one. Going to 40. There it is. Wow. I said wow. Woo. Now it's 50. Now it's 70. Wow. It's a crazy one, huh? It's amazing when you say wow, how they go higher. Simply amazing. It's amazing. WR again. No big signals. 34. There's one at 30. It's probably good right here at 1527 to 32 for an entry on SPWR. Stopping station right here, guys. 15.27 to 32. I would anticipate a move to 18 possibly, but I'd get an entry right here. That one out in the room right there. That's SPWR. People are going to get burned here. Take their burn. 15.27. See that? Took their burn. Now they're going to say shit and buy it back and take you out right there at 36, 34, 40. See that? Gave them that at 27. Now they're going to take you out at 37. Told you. 38. Let them take you. 40. 40. Great job. MYGN, new high, 41.40. Amazing. Great job. Great picks. See what Rento did. Oh, we tired of winning every day, he says. Let's see. Oh, we tired of winning day after day. Another $602. There you go. Do you notice the difference, guys? How I call the picks out from the booth now? And my focus is on the room and the traders? Oh, yeah, right? Hard to make a mistake when you got the coach on your back. Calling the plays up from the sound booth. For everyone's information, I'm running 4 live streams. Twitch, Periscope, YouTube, Stockstream TV, a few others simultaneously at the same time, tweeting, social media posts, recording the Mojo show, calling out pics and screenshots in the room for the traders. That's called multitasking. And over the years, I've traded on and off. And my recent trading costed focus to the room. And it's not about my trading, it's about the room and the business. So my trading is stopped, and I'm focusing on the room to make everyone money every single day. So you could see how easy it is, and it's working. So if you come and join the room, you'll get the education that these pro traders have, and you'll be able to trade with us for years. 15.45 off 27, guys. 15.44 off stopping station 27, which I teach in the courses on the stopping stations, is golden. You want to see the stopping station slide? $49. Bye 50. So here you have the stopping stations. As it comes down, it's going to stop. 82 to 77, 77 to 52. Stop at 51. There's your 32 to 27, and your 27 to 22 with a tappy at 18, and you got your 12 to 07 and your 07 to 02 with the no buy zones right here. You got to learn what all this is in Mojo University course. It's going to be given away to you for free. Just join the combo pack. Get in the room, get the swing trade newsletter, learn what the Ken Slim is on the swing side, nail these picks on the day trading side. It went through 15.50. It's 15.55. Be flat now. Again. Glad we got off the UVXY. Utterly got destroyed. Take a look at that Mijin. Yeah, that one went through 41 beautifully. That one's done too. STAS, is that Star Surgical? Yeah, man. Star Surgical. Look at this one from 32 to 36. I used to trade this one 20 years ago. It's $3. Coop. Mr. Cooper Group. Crocs, that's shoes. Crocs may go 26 if you're looking at something. There's a signal at 25.98 on Crocs. The signal at 98 on Crocs. You got Crocs Heinzing 26. Told you, there it goes. Told you, Heinz 26. Did you see that? How fast that was? I told you, right? There's a signal at 98, reading the level 2. Reading the level 2. Look. See it? 2591 by 93. See it? Now look at it. Bam. 26 by 2603. See how that works? Now it's going to be 2611. If it touches 11, it's going to 2620. And there's a signal of 40 on the ask at 2604. 2607, they took the 4. They took the 4. It's 2606 by 7. They go 6 bid, bam, it rips. 6 bid penny pincher, gone. 8 by 9 by 12. Told you, bam, right up there, baby. Told you, bam. All from reading the level 2, taking the MOJO University courses that I teach all this over and over to everybody. And the accuracy on it is incredible. There you go. Bam. How it happens. Now it's going to go to 20. SPWR off 1527 stopping station is now 1567, heading into the high. Nailed it right there on that red bar. Nothing could be shiner than to be in Carolina in the MOJO room in the morning. There you go. Bam 70, bam 73. Got a new high coming on SPWR, boys. Look at that rail grind. Just steady, amazing, pretty. There you go. Oh, and yes, when you get the courses and you start watching them, I'm giving them to you for nothing. You can ask me any questions you want, and you'll get in touch with me. I won't give you a concierge service to get in touch with my staff. There is no staff. You won't be pushed aside. And that's what the other services have been doing when you're paying them thousands of dollars. It's amazing. Look at that SPWR. That's amazing. Big bit, big ask at 75. It was. Now it's smaller. I'm a huge staff of one. Yup. Look at that beautiful, beautiful 1570, high 79. I'm a staff of one, but does the work of many. What else we got there? That one, that VNDA rebounded a little bit. That one came off 77 stopping station. Yup. Ooh, this one went from 95. Look at this one. Went from 95 through Heinz 100. Touched 111 and is now at 120. It happened just like SPWR. Went through Heinz, touched 11 and went to 20. But this one did it in 20 points. Look at that. It went Heinz 100, sold 104, 109 half, touched 11. Now 119. There you go. Same exact thing. Amazing. So good job today. It's 10:15. That's the morning run for the Mojo chat room. Thank you for listening to the show. Hope you become a subscriber. Get your free trading tools at mojodaytrading.com. Everything we've done here today is obviously for educational purposes, and nothing's been real. But if you think that the traders are trading their own accounts and doing it real, which they are, then you'll join them and do that. But this is the disclaimer that everyone has to use. And let's see what we got here. Oh, look at that. My competitor. Amazing. Every time I click a video, they come on and advertise. Quite amazing. Alright, they're flooding my ad. This is the tag along. Oh, cool. These are some words. 1+1 formula. How much would you pay for a crystal ball? A, B, or C? $1,000 picks for $1,000 for 5 picks, $5,000 for 50 picks, or $10,000 for unlimited. You learn this formula. There you go. The 1+1+1+1=4 formula, right there. One of the first things I've ever taught.
His name is John C.
See you on the next